So my brows are done. They are completed. Now I get to play with. Whoa! Okay, so I'll back out just a little bit right in a second. Yeah. Okay. Oh, that burp tasted like nothing I've had today. So, first impressions of just looking at it, I think the colors look super pretty. It looks pretty much like, you know, every other Anastasia palette as far as, you know, the velvet outside covering the box and, you know, the inside and everything. I see that tempera is back. I know that one was in the Modern Renaissance one for sure. So they have tempera, burnt orange, cypress umber, and this one has sienna, and then the Modern Renaissance has raw sienna. So a few of the same shades there. I don't have subculture. I don't know the names or what's in subculture. Like, I've just seen like some videos and stuff. And as far as the Prism palette, it seems that nothing is the same. I will say that Lure and Dusty Rose look very similar. And okay, so this is the Soft Glam, this is Prism. Those two colors look pretty similar just by looking at it. But in general, that's really the only color that looks similar from this palette. I've seen some mixed reviews in wording, not from like actually usage, that, you know, this palette seems boring and it's plain or whatever. Honestly, I think the colors look great. This is for more of an everyday look. As far as it being boring, yeah, it might be boring, but the colors look great. From what I've seen from other people's videos, the formula is very comparable to Modern Renaissance, which most people love. So it blends really well. Nice pigmentation is nice. So I'm excited to try this out. I don't really know exactly what I'm gonna do right yet. But I think I'm just gonna start out with this rose pink color. It does have some kickback on this color, nothing crazy, and then I do have some fallout here. But honestly, with Anastasia's palettes, that's kind of to be expected. The more pigmented a color, usually the more kickback and fallout it has from the formula and stuff. So, not hating it. That's why I didn't do my foundation first, because I knew there was probably going to be some of this going down. I think I just want to do a really simple look today, you guys. So I think next I'm going to go in with sienna, and I'm going to do my crease with that, blend this color out together. And it is definitely wash time for my brushes. Like, that's bad. It's very, very bad. Alright, that needs later. No, I'm just gonna go in with this brush because it's clean. Oh yeah, I like barely tapped onto the shade, and that one got lots of kickback, as you can see. As long as it blends fine, I'm not gonna be too worried about it. I mean, pigmentation's there, obviously. Gosh, I have a forehead itch. I don't want to scratch my head up. Not too bad. Now for a little bit lighter shade, I'm gonna go with burnt orange. Sometimes you feel like you're just blending and blending and blending. But it does pay off because not very blended. You see a difference. Then for under the brow bone, I'm gonna go with tempera. Yes ma'am, that is what I'm going to be using under the brow bone. Later I will be, you know, popping that highlight on, but I think tempera is a nice, just soft shade. Alright, I want to go in with Sultry, and this one right here, and do that in the outer corners. Quite a bit more fallout right there. Like I said, to be expected, honestly. I mean, is it annoying? Yes, but at least you know the pigmentation's good. Everything seems to be blending out pretty nicely so far. So I mean, the worst thing is you just have to do your foundation afterwards. Then even if you feel like you want to go back in and blend it out some more, you can do that. Might actually just use tempera this time because it's so far up here. Just to soften it out a little bit. Not too worried about this because I'm going to wipe it up with a baby wipe and then conceal. Alright, I think that looks pretty. I'm going to go grab some baby wipes and be back. Right now I look like an egg. So I did have this brand named LAQA CO reach out to me. I believe that's how you pronounce it. I really hope I'm not botching it. So they sent me this bag, 4 lip products, and a bee lighter, which is a blush and a highlighter. First of all, their packaging is amazing. The packaging that it actually came in, and OMG, was it the freaking cutest. Super love it. And then the actual packaging that the product is in itself, like the product holders, are also amazing. So I'm probably not going to be able to see because it's basically a mirror, but it's got like geometric on it. It says LAQA CO. And then the inside. Now this bee lighter, which blush highlighter, it's like a balmy texture. And it's called Peacher's Daughter, which you can't get cuter than that, I swear. And it's pretty pigmented. I don't really know if I can put this on with my normal like blush brush or not. Where is my blush brush? Oh, where is my blush brush? Okay, seriously, no, right here. But like, hey there, hey you. I will say that the balmy texture makes it a little bit harder to put on, but I did end up just using a blush brush. I'm gonna fix this disaster real quick that is my nose contour. Okay, that. Now, the next thing I want to try, I'm gonna go back to one of the LAQA CO lip products, but I think we're gonna go with this highlighter today. So along with the soft glam palette, I did also pick up the Amrezy, or is it Amrezy? Let me know in the comments below because I keep like saying both because I'm not sure if it's Amrezy or Amrezy. But highlighter, oh my gosh, their packaging is just gorgeous too. So here we go. Yes, first finger test, because you know me, I gotta use my finger. Okay, I see you. I see you, I see you. First impressions, it's really pretty. I personally prefer, as you can tell by my overuse of Flexitarian, a more like white, I guess, glow. This is definitely a more natural like sun-kissed looking thing. Sun-kissed looking glow. Which is really pretty and I do like it. And I probably will wear it again. It's not that I don't like it. It's just I like to have them more like bam, glow in your face. But this is really pretty and I am happy with it. This is like spring, summer, yasness. Alright, so these are all the lip products that I got. I got 2 avo butter. That's it, it says avo butter. I know it was like avo butter lip something, and then these ones are called cloud lips. Now I know that they like their brand mixes a lot of like food and stuff in it, and it's vegan or it's cruelty free and stuff, so I'm assuming it's vegan too, but I don't know 100%. But I think I'm gonna go in with Daydream. I think I liked that color from yesterday. I liked all of them, but I think I like that color for this look. So Daydream is a cloud lip. Oh my gosh, it goes on so smooth. Oh, it goes on so smooth, they're like mattes. Why are you like not focusing? Come on. Can't really rub it together because it just dries too fast. But it doesn't feel like drying until you like go to do that. Like it goes on and it literally feels like nothing. Probably why it's called cloud lips, because it's like a cloud. I got it. I got it. I do like, instead of being like a thing that you have to stick your finger to and pop up, it's just like a little button. It's so nice. So nice. Am I like the only person? I'm not the only person, but I feel like I'm the only person like in where I'm from that's obsessed with highlighter. Like I walk outside and they're like, where is this coming from? Too much. And to that, all I can say is, if you don't like it, don't wear it. Okay, I'm gonna keep it real with you all. I think I like this look. It's like perfect for spring that's coming right around the corner, you know? I'm in love so far with LAQA CO. I will put their link in the description below. This is not sponsored at all by them. My review is like genuinely my own. Like they emailed me and they said we would love to send you some products, and they actually put like no obligation to post about them, but if I, you know, did, that would be nice. And so I was like, oh, you know, that's very nice of them, because a lot of brands will send you free stuff and then expect you to make like this type of stuff for free, which, I mean, just starting out, you know, to get free product, that's okay. But like when you're putting like lots of hours, your own funds into making your stuff look banging, like you're basically running a commercial for them. So I think it was just nice of them to say I didn't have to, like, you know, post anything about it, but if I wanted to. What is this? I'm giving up on lashes today, you guys. These nails, I can't get close enough to like get it right. Get it right. Oh shit! Get it right, get it tight. Alright, that is finally the end of, oh wait, no, it's not. I'm gonna use my Milani Make It Last. Breathing in this one is a lot better than a lot of the other ones I breathe in. You're probably supposed to hold your breath, which I usually do, but then sometimes, like, I don't know, I just like take a big whiff on accident and then, yeah. Okay, so, that is the finished look. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Have you tried any of the stuff that I mentioned? It wasn't a lot, it was just the Anastasia Soft Glam palette and the highlighter, the Amrezy one, and then the LAQA CO. So yeah, let me know what you think about any of the stuff. Do you want to try it yourself? You know, let me know in the comments below. Also, if there's any type of specific like look, type of video or anything you'd like to see from me, put it in the comments below. I do try to read them all. I don't always get back to them, mostly because if you know me in real life, I don't always even text people back. I'm just really bad with like, I'll mentally reply to something and then forget that I didn't actually reply. So I am trying to be better with that. But self-awareness, it is what it is. So yeah, but if you enjoyed this content, if you haven't already, make sure you click that subscribe button, and if you like this video, make sure you smash the like button. So click the subscribe, smash the like, dun, 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 because why not? It's free and it lets me know you like what I'm doing, that I did a good job. Jingle jingle, I don't know. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, and as always, bye.
I just wanna live, I try to keep it all low.